So this is one of our compost cubes. It's one of our worm farm designs, and the way that it works is actually quite impressive. It uses layers to separate food waste from compost from fertilizer juice. And so you'll see here the first layer is all food waste pretty much in our burlap sack. And the second layer here is that good, really rich compost, some of the best that we can find. And the bottom layer, although there's not much there right now, you'll see that it's got worm juice, some of the best liquid fertilizer that we also have. And so what you're going to see here is what I'm going to spread the worm juice around the base of the plant and the compost as well. What this is going to end up having us do, we're now going to have more room to put the food waste on the bottom and the empty compost bin on top. We'll empty it later, but this will create more room for more food waste